so they can escape safely and protect property. It was by detecting smoke, heat or flame, and then making around sound or fashion right to alert everyone nearby.
Assalamualaikum. I am Mohammad Ali Hamza from grade 5 Johar campus. Now I will explain you circuit diagram.